What kind of job do you have?
I work as a software developer.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually go to the mountains for a quiet getaway.
What do you typically do in the evenings?
I like to read or watch movies in the evenings.
How do you commute to work?
I usually take the train to work.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I typically eat dinner around 7 p.m.
What is your favorite book genre?
I enjoy science fiction the most.
How often do you visit family?
I visit my family every few weeks.
What do you enjoy doing on rainy days?
I love to curl up with a good book and some hot tea.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner and digital tools to keep track of tasks.
What types of movies do you prefer?
I prefer thrillers and documentaries.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I follow my local football team.
What is your favorite way to exercise?
I enjoy jogging and yoga.
How do you usually celebrate holidays?
I celebrate holidays with family gatherings and special meals.
What do you like most about your job?
I appreciate the creative problem-solving aspects of my work.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house once a week.
What do you usually do after work?
I often go for a walk or cook dinner.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, I love a local Italian restaurant.
How do you handle stress?
I practice mindfulness and go for walks to manage stress.
What types of events do you like to attend?
I enjoy attending music festivals and art exhibitions.
What do you usually wear to work?
I typically wear business casual attire.
How do you keep your skills updated?
I take online courses and attend workshops regularly.